Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Trapcode Particle animation like this. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, press OK, go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it particular. Then press OK, go to layer, new light, and I'll call it emitter. Light type point and also intensity 100. Then press OK. Okay, now I want to move X position and also Y position like this. Okay, make sure that you are in the first frame and press P, then keyframe, move view forward, okay, and again move Y and X like this. And now I want to change this point like this, and also I'll go to first frame and change this point like that. And this is our animation. Okay, now I'll go to particular and go to effect and Trapcode Particular. And yeah, here we go. Now I'll open emitter and emitter per second, I'll make it 750. Also I'll change emitter type point to light, and I'll make all velocity here 0. Okay, now I'll go to emitter size X, Y, and Z, and also I'll make it all 0. Yes. I'll close emitter, I'll open particular or particle, and live per second I'll change it to 6. Also size, I don't need any size here, so I'll make size 0 and nothing here. Okay, now I'll go to physics and air, turbulence field, and I'll go to turbulence field, effect position, I'll change it to 600. Okay, AUX system, I'll change off to continuously, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'll go to particles per second and change it to 150. Okay, and also I'll go to size, I'll change it to 1, and color over life, and I'll go to physics and change turbulence position to 600. And also gravity here minus 25. Okay, now I'll go to opacity over life and presets, and I'll choose this one. Or maybe this will be good. Yes, this one. Okay, now I have a color here. This color, I take it from Adobe Color. I'll go to particle effect and change my color. Take this one and also this color, and this one, and yeah, yes, now I'll remove it, and this is our color. Okay, now I want to go to layer, new solid as a background, then press OK, go to effect, I'll put it down, and I'll go to effect and generate and gradient ramp, change this color. Also this maybe dark. And this is our animation. Okay, this is my tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.